to the YouTube event with the homie Didi. You already know.
Everybody.
Layla in the back. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right there. And yes, I'm paying attention to the road.
Yeah, tell paying attention to the road, bro. Tell pay attention to the road, y'all. We are heading. Layla in the back, got Callie, and then look, we got. Oh, sorry. We got Ripley back here in the back, my baby girl. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, we heading on off. What we gonna be doing today, bro?
Heading to Austin. Heading to Austin. Well, actually, we finna head to Buc-ee's. Oh, you can't go to Austin without stopping by Buc-ee's.
You can't go on a trip, period, without stopping at Buc-ee's when you go on a far distance. You know what I'm saying? So we got to have some fun, though. Like I said, y'all, road trip. Road.
I thought you people were a jolly bunch.
You people. It's always you people. It's always you people.
Ain't y'all supposed to be strong and independent? Kinda like, just wait till we get out this car.
She about to box you, bro. She about to put them hands.
Gave it to one.
Okay.
You carried and said, here you go, boo.
I was giving her boo germs. Just giving me the
Boo germs.
Boo germs.
Boo
germs.
Hey. I didn't have that. You know.
You had the book. You know,
Right.
you know. I'm gonna show you what I got, bro. White bags, push, got some kolaches, pretzels. We got us some couple drinks, name brand stuff. You know what I'm saying? We about to keep rolling. What you got? Oh, what you got?
Burrito up in here. Let me show y'all how I do it. So I open it up a little bit like that. Take that barbecue sauce right here. They just start putting this in this right here.
They put the buckets in a friggin'.
Yeah, then you just start pouring it in there.
Oh, that's a whole. Gotta get to Arizona. Gotta have Arizona, y'all.
Buc-ee's so. A lot you
Look at that sausage on the stick. Look at that.
You trying to eat, bro?
That's all right. The camera's watching. So we had to stop. We y'all know we in charging up. We charging up. Ladies out here, so we hanging out at the other Buc-ee's we went to. So we had another Buc-ee's. We still close to Austin.
Y'all staying in?
And we're not. So
I mean, I can get back in.
we, like I said, we just chilling and we waiting to power up and like that. And after that, we're gonna head the rest of the way to Austin, and we'll go have some fun. So we are having a just great time, bro. Let me look at her.
Huh? What?
How beautiful it is. How you doing, baby girl?
Hi, people. One love.
Just made it to Austin. About to get ready to hang out with the homies.
Yeah, we done made it safely.
Sir. Made it here safely.
No.
So,
Sainted was telling me to leave Layla at Buc-ee's.
So. I did not say that. Maybe. But huh? Oh, yeah. But yeah, so we like I said, we made it all, so we about to get right there.
You know, we out here doing our thing.
Like I said, my shirt looking red now. We're about to get ready to go up here. Have some fun. Do what I thought that's a. My baby just looking. She's like, All right, let's have some fun. Check out everything.
Your pins?
Yes. Got your pins?
Oh, you got it on. Okay.
That's what I'm saying.
Y'all make sure y'all check it out. He got that YouTube 20 pin. That
Hold on.
Exclusive. You see it? I got one at TwitchCon, but now I got another one.
Yes, sir.
We out here.
We're here at the YouTube event. We are here. What else? Nice. Here at all in the theater, about to hopefully look at some stuff. Yeah. Alright, we still here, hanging out, vlogging. Yeah, yeah.
Okay, it's one thing here that resonated with you, and I am Austin based, so I'm trying to do more of these in Austin. So
Yes. And thank you to Zygo as well, our partner and all this. Yeah.
Right, y'all ain't gotta go home, but
we tried to extend it. I
like how everybody's like, all right.
And it's good to see. I met your wife.
No, that's important.
All right, y'all, we are done. Oh, you know we are. Yeah, we gotta stop at Buc-ee's anyway because got a game.
Oh yeah, charge up the car.
No, he had the CEO of Zygo yell at me. It's crazy. It's crazy.
It was funny.
Callie, let me tell you what this man did to me. Yeah, I'm snitching. He had the CEO of Zygo yell at me.
I did.
What?
Yeah, the CEO of Zygo yelled at me because I wasn't doing vertical live.
I did.
Oh, not you just gonna walk away. You get out.
I didn't even walk away. I'm just standing right here.
Everybody outside talking. Hey, can't get the hell. Get the hell. I don't know about y'all guys. As you can see, it's so funny. S-Fan, everybody's out here, dude, talking, having a good time, man.
I was just talking about like how we're literally driving after this, and I'm
I was like, oh, y'all don't need me.
No, we would never.
I was talking to
I'm not.
We had a great time, y'all. We're about to jump back in the. We're about to get back into the car. About to hang out, have fun, and head home, bro. It was a great experience. We got to talk to S-Fan. We got to talk to Zygo, the Zygo CEO. We got to talk to a lot of people, bro, about live streaming, and I did tell them concerns about the vertical live streaming, which we talked about being able to put your code or your stream key into the new YouTube system that they got going on, where it's vertical and horizontal together. So we end up talking to them about that, which they said next year should be happening. Also told them about the live stream when we're trying to redirect, how sometimes the vertical live streams aren't pushing over. So
He made somebody yell
I'm
at
outside.
what happened?
me. You made somebody yell at me.
I did.
What he do?
I made the CEO look. What's called? I did. But no, y'all. But we're about to head out. Thank you guys. I will see you guys in streaming. But I hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys.
Bar over here. I'm about to.
Don't hide your face now.